Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, we'll explain the difference between a soft credit check and a hard credit check when using Affirm, so you can understand how each affects your credit. Step 1. What is a soft credit check? A soft credit check, also called a soft inquiry, happens when a firm reviews your credit to pre-qualify you for a loan or payment plan. This check does not affect your credit score. Step 2. When does a firm use soft checks? Soft checks usually occur when you first apply to see if you qualify. It's quick and won't show up as a negative on your credit report. Step 3. What is a hard credit check? A hard credit check, or hard inquiry, is a detailed review of your credit history. This type of check can lower your credit score slightly and temporarily. Step 4. When does a firm use hard checks? A firm may perform a hard check when you apply for larger loans or certain financing options. This signals lenders that you're actively seeking credit. Step 5. Impact of multiple hard checks. Multiple hard inquiries in a short time can have a greater impact on your score, so avoid applying for too many loans at once. Step 6. How to protect your credit score. Always check which type of credit inquiry will be done before applying. Use a firm's soft check option if available to avoid affecting your score unnecessarily. That's your clear guide to soft versus hard credit checks with Affirm. Thanks for watching.